Hi, we are making zucchini pancakes and ingredients: zucchini, cheese, garlic cloves, eggs and flour. Grate the zucchini on grater and salt them. Use the large bowl where transfer and mix zucchini, eggs, flour, cheese, minced garlic and black pepper. Fire up a large non-stick skillet, add some flour oil or vegetable oil and start making the pancakes. Drop rounded 1½ tablespoon into the hot pan and fry until golden. 2–3 minutes per side and gently flip them. Repeat the same process as needed. The final touch is to prepare dill and sour cream. Serve warm with fresh dill and sour cream on top if desired. Crispy zucchini pancakes are fluffy and full of flavor. They are so delicious. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and follow. I will share new simple food recipe with you.